What's up, guys? This is the fourth and final episode of my Yamaha Big Bear 350 rebuild restoration, and today we're actually going to go give it a try. We got the swing arm back in place, we got a new fresh oil change, we got some brakes that work. Let's make sure it actually does work. So let's go through this mud hole. Before we get into the mud hole and get all dirty, I want to take a minute and thank you guys for watching. This was a 4-part series. I really appreciate it. And please consider subscribing. It would go a long way for this channel if I had a little bit more support. So without further ado, let's get this thing fired up and load it onto the trailer. That worked out better than I thought. I was going to take out the ramps, but this thing's kind of a tank. I like it.
He's gonna get full. Oh, I'll have to get stuck. Then we're gonna have to pull him out. Get stuck.
Yeah.
And made it through. I actually was in 4th gear there for low range. I was kind of I misjudged my speed, but yeah, you can definitely tell there's some pretty good muck around there. The brother-in-law with his 650 Kawasaki definitely did way better than I did but I did pretty good for a 33-year-old bike. Anyways, that's going to be it for now. Appreciate it very much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.